Today, I want to talk about a subject that is often seen as numbers, formulas, and sometimes boring calculation. But in reality, it is the hidden magic behind everything in our lives. Yes, I am talking about mathematics. Mathematics is the bridge that connects the pulse of a human heart to the orbit of the planet, the spiral of the seashell to the motion of the galaxies. Good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Chanchal Manikpuri from class 11, standing here as a math student. Mathematics is not just about numbers, it is everywhere around us. The spiral on the sunflower, the way honeybees build hexagonal honeycombs, and even the motion of the planet. They all follow mathematical patterns. The famous Fibonacci sequence discovered hundreds of years ago appears in pine cones, cells, galaxies. Is not that amazing? But maths is not just in nature. In ancient India, mathematician invented zero. Yes, the number zero. Imagine a world without zero. No computers, no satellites, no smartphones. Our daily life should be completely different. Fast forward to today, mathematics helps to predict weather, design video games, even to protect our planets. Now close your eyes for a moment and imagine a world without numbers. No clocks to tell time, no money to trade, no bridges, no smartphones. It's almost impossible, right? That's the power of mathematics, silent, invisible, yet shaping everything around us. The Egyptians built pyramids using geometry to align them perfectly with the stars. But maths is not just in ancient history, it is alive in our daily lives. When we cook food and adjust a recipe, that's maths. When we calculate our pocket money, that's maths. Even the apps on your phones run on maths formulas, so complex that a single mistake can crash the system. Mathematics shows us that nature is not chaotic. It is structured, patterned, or deeply elegant. But you know what is astonishing? That this same mathematical beauty appears in life itself. The proportion of a human body reflects the golden ratio. Even the rhythm of the heart can be modeled with non-linear equations that describe waves in nature. Life is not random. It is a symphony of mathematical patterns unfolding in time. In conclusion, mathematics is more than a subject. It teaches logic, creativity, and a way to tackle challenges. Whether you became scientists, artists, entrepreneurs, maths will always be a part of your journey. Thank you for your time, and may we continue to explore beauty and power of mathematics.